Hello, dears. On the behalf of Professor Zahid Mahmood today, I want to talk about something very important: breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer is the most common cancer among women worldwide, but early detection can save lives. Breast cancer occurs when abnormal cells in the breast grow uncontrollably. It can affect both men and women, though it's much more common in women. One of the most important steps is self-examination. Check your breasts once a month for any unusual lumps, changes in size, shape, or skin texture. Look for any nipple discharge as well. Some risk factors include a family history of breast cancer, aging, and lifestyle factors like poor diet or lack of exercise. However, even if you have no risk factors, regular screening is essential. A mammogram is a simple X-ray of the breast and is one of the most effective ways to detect breast cancer early. Women over 40 should get regular mammograms every 1 to 2 years. If you notice any changes or feel something unusual, don't ignore it. Early diagnosis leads to better treatment outcomes. Treatments today, including surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy, are more effective than ever before. Remember, awareness and early detection are your best defense. Take control of your health and encourage others to do the same. Thank you.